Cybercrime seems to be a top priority for India as the nation is taking concrete steps to fortify its defenses for digital wars. Defining it as a bloodless war, the Union Minister for Information Technology, Ravi Shankar Prasad, has declared that the government will set up a proper cyber coordination centers, in fact, besides imparting necessary training to equip various departments to effectively deal with the clear and present danger. The minister was speaking at the Regional Editors Conference in Chennai.
Visiting U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry red flagged cyber terrorism as a key challenge for the nations who are united in campaign against terrorism. India has also identified it as a major threat and started its preparations. Union Minister for Information Technology Ravi Shankar Prasad has in fact called it a bloodless war and declared that a special cyber coordination center will be set up to coordinate efforts in this field. Government is imparting specialist training in various departments so as to keep pace with the changing technology.
Cyber security is a bloodless war. We are quite alive to it. We are coordinating with various countries of the world. The Prime Minister himself is taking a lead. We are going to set up a cyber coordination center in a big way. We are training judges, police officers, human resource in the field of cyber security. I must say it is a job in the process we have to improve further.
To enhance the digital platform across the country, government has accelerated work in 5 major streams. The first step in the government efforts is to spread nationwide network of optical fiber to ensure smooth transmission of data across the country. Second initiative is the common service centers which are being set up, which will take many government services to the doorstep of rural population in the country. Third major initiative is using the common service centers as internet service provider for rural population. Fourth important step is increasing banking reach to the innermost rural areas through postal payment banks. Fifth and the last initiative is that of the virtual mobile networks. The government claims that these 5 steps will boost digital infrastructure and will have the capacity to revolutionize India. Earlier,